Men hate asking for directions. In fact, they'd much rather take you around in circles than ask someone for directions. But guess what? Now they don't need to ask for directions anymore, all thanks to GPS or the Global Positioning System. Prasad Ramamurthy shows us what this is and how this is said to help you out there in the city.
Often have you had to stop and ask for directions?
बस 3 हाथ नाका कहाँ पे आया?
How often have you gone round in circles?
जो जाना पड़ेगा अभी फिर राइट मारो रिटर्न जाओ इधर जाना ड्राइवर चले गए सबको जाना पड़ेगा.
Well, there's hope. Ask Vikash Kumar and he'll tell you how a global positioning based software has made his travel simple. Vikash began using a GPS based software 4 months ago.
Drive carefully.
The software installed on a Windows-based smartphone uses satellites orbiting the Earth to pinpoint on a detailed road map just where you are and where you need to go.
500 meters. Turn left.
Vikash is just one among over 6,000 professionals across the country who are using GPS-based devices to find their way across cities.
I am here in Bombay for about 1 year now, so I'm not too conversant with the roads. So either instead of asking everybody where is this road, where is this building, where is this location, now this has simplified my process. This particular cursor, the green one, will be exactly in front of the location that I am finding.
You can buy dedicated devices that range between 16 and 22,000 rupees. Like this one from mapmyindia.com, which is detailed road maps for 18 Indian cities and interstate maps as well.
ये विंडोज सी बेस्ड प्लेटफॉर्म है, तो इस पे हम लोग मूवीज प्ले कर सकते हैं, म्यूजिक प्ले कर सकते हैं, गेम्स हैं, कैलकुलेटर, क्लॉक, तो वो सारे फीचर्स भी इस डिवाइस में हैं, तो उन चीजों के लिए भी ये यूज किया जा सकता है.
Turn right. U-turn.
There is no such thing as 100% ready in either map database or in GPS navigation. You are always at 90%. There will always be a new flyover. There will always be a new road. If you look at March, April, on an average we used to sell around 1 lakh rupees a month. And last week alone we have sold worth 7 lakh rupees just in a single week. So if you see in terms of volume growth, 22 times volume growth in 5 months. And we believe this is only an indicator of things to come.
So if you're one of those who hates asking for directions or finds oneself in unknown territory all the time and don't mind a slightly expensive guide across your city, well then this is probably what you're looking for. Prasad Ramamurthy for NDTV.
Drive carefully.